Hey sweet babies, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. If you like fragrance, makeup, skincare, real people, and real talk, definitely subscribe to my channel. So today, y'all, we're going to talk about fragrances that I feel like I'm the only frag girl that don't have them. You know what I mean? Like, everybody got these fragrances, and it's not like they're super expensive or inaccessible or like discontinued or hard to get. Like, it's not that. It's just that, like, I don't know, it's like everything else just kind of jumps in front of the list on it, or, you know, in front of it, or it's just not on my list at all. And I'm like, but everybody loves them though. Like, I feel left out. Like, I feel like I have to have them in my collection because everybody else loves them. You know what I'm saying? So we're going to talk about these fragrances today, but y'all keep it 100 with me. Like, tell me like, girl, that's cute, but you don't really need it all like that. Or tell me like, no girl, that is the one. You need that in your collection. Like, hands down, you need it. The first one is, I'm almost embarrassed to say it because, like, why don't I have this and everybody and their grandma got it? Donna, Born in Roma. Now, let's be clear. At the beginning of the year, I had a travel size spray of Valentino, Donna, Born in Roma, and I really enjoyed it. Like, I really thought it was a pretty fragrance. It was one of those fragrances that I could see somebody like wearing when they're going out. It gave me like a kind of a youthful vibe. Like, it made me feel like back in the day when I used to go clubbing. You know what I'm saying? Like, it was sweet and I liked it. I really did. But once I got to like buying stuff, like, girl, that was just like going down, 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 down on the list. And then everybody and their mama had it already. And I'm like, I don't know if I want it because ain't nothing like going somewhere and somebody smell like you. And chances are, with Donna, Born in Roma, somebody might got that on. Somebody might got that on. You know what I'm saying? So I just was like, I ain't gonna never get it. But the more and more and more and more I just watch videos, I mean, it is in everybody's collection. So I'm like, do I need it? Because I'm feeling like I need it now. Especially since, you know, they had those flankers, Coral Fantasy and Yellow Dream, and everybody was like, like, they ain't got nothing on the original Donna, Born in Roma. So I'm like, do I need it? So y'all let me know. Do I need it? The next one is Prada Paradox. So I know that's not, you know, been out too long, but when it came out, the girls have been loving it. Now, it is actually on my list, and I was going to get it like for a spring summer scent. I heard it's just like a nice easy reach. You don't really have to think about it. You grab it, go, you know, you smell good and pretty. I'm like, oh, okay, I can grab that for spring summer. That'll be like a shop and running errands type of vibe. You know what I'm saying? They said it smells like Donna, Born in Roma and My Way put together. My Way was never really on my radar. I heard it smells good, but it's kind of like bubble gum, like kind of like that, and I already kind of get that vibe with Oriana, so I'm kind of cool with that. So this one, I guess, is more like a, you know, a juicy, airier, more like summertime version of that. And everybody that's been rocking it, they love it. I do hear some people saying like, it's alright, it ain't nothing really to write home about, which I understand. It's not like a groundbreaking fragrance, but it is like a good easy reach. So I'm wondering, y'all, do y'all think I need Prada Paradox? Let me know. Next is y'all good girlfriend, Black Opium. Now, Black Opium has not ever been on my list to purchase, but when I say that it's in everybody's collection, it's in everybody's collection. It's in people's collection that ain't even got no collection, child. Like, everybody got Opium, okay? Black Opium. I'm like, do I need it? Now, I did smell it at Sephora, and it was okay. I wasn't like getting the coffee and all of that I wanted. You know, it definitely wasn't giving me like Black Phantom or anything like that. You know what I'm saying? But, you know, I guess it's supposed to be like a, you know, not quite on that level. So okay, so yeah, it just didn't give me that what I was looking for, so I just kept it moving and never, you know. But I'm thinking like, well, maybe I need at least a travel spray of it and like really wear it and see if I can get the vibe that everybody's getting, because I'm thinking it might be a, you know, easy reach, grab and go, shopping, running errands type of vibe for fall winter. You know what I'm saying? Because you be needing easy reach fragrances. You really do, because you ain't always trying to wear your expensive stuff to just do regular basic things, even though you can wear what you want, when you want, how you want, because I've definitely done it. But, you know, sometimes you just want something that's an easy reach. If you use it up, it's cool. You can go to Sephora and buy it again. You know what I'm saying? So y'all let me know, do I need Black Opium or am I good? Because I got Black Phantom, I've got Sand Dance, I got Coffee Break. I have stuff with the coffee in it, but I just don't know if I need Black Opium. Next is Killian Princess. So I always wanted Killian Princess. It was always on my list to buy. You know, the one in the little ball. I actually like that bottle. A lot of people like it, a lot of people don't, but the one with the little ball, I liked it. Then it came out with the, you know, the new one in the regular square bottle, and I'm like, and I almost got it, but then I didn't get it. Then I almost got it again, then I didn't get it. So I'm kind of wondering, do I need it? Now, as far as the notes goes, it definitely sounds like something that I would like. Actually, I actually did smell it in Sephora. And when I smelled it though, I liked it, but I was like, I mean, I could put Matcha Meditation and Oriana together and get this. You know what I'm saying? Because I really didn't get any ginger in it that people were talking about it. So I was like, well, if I put those two fragrances together, I feel like I got Princess. Okay? So that was kind of my mindset. But I'm kind of thinking like, I feel like I kind of need it. I feel like that would be a good, you know, just a pretty easy reach type of fragrance, something you can wear to bed, something you can wear out and about. It seems like it's pretty much an all year round fragrance. So I'm wondering, do I need Princess? Y'all let me know. Next one is Wood Sage and Sea Salt by Jo Malone. So I do have a little 10 ml of it, or a little, you know, the little ones that they give you. And I do like the fragrance. Like, I really do like it. It kind of goes ghost on me though. But since I just have that little one, I never really, you know, did a whole body care routine and wore it to really see if I like it. So I'm gonna do that, but I don't know, do y'all think I need that though? Like, I feel like it would be a good easy reach for spring summer, and I kind of feel like I need it. But y'all let me know how the longevity is on y'all. I'm definitely gonna take that little one and do a whole body care routine with it while I'm like just in the house, not going nowhere, because I already know for sure it cannot stand up in that cold outside. But as far as like wearing it in the house, I'm gonna do that just a day that I'm just staying in the house, not going nowhere, not doing nothing. I'm gonna shower, do a whole body care routine that I think would go with that fragrance, and I'm gonna use that the travel spray or whatever that is, because I'm gonna use that up in one use. I'm telling you that right now. I feel like if I do get it, I'm definitely gonna need like the body cream to go with it, because it's such a light and airy scent that it might just be like, peace. And I don't want it to do that or whatever. So yeah, because I have Nectarine Blossom and Honey from Jo Malone, and that stays on my skin real good. Like, I don't have a problem with that ghosting at all. So y'all let me know about Wood Sage and Sea Salt, and let me know, so if I do need it, then I can get it for my spring summer fragrances. Next is Adore. A lot of the girls love Adore. And it sounds like such a good fragrance, especially for every day, like an everyday fragrance, especially like in the spring, summer. And then I'm also hearing about Adore Nectar is good for the fall, winter, because of, or at least the fall for sure, because of that popcorn note. I'm all here for the popcorn note. Do y'all have it? Do y'all love it? Is this something that you think I should get? Because I'm trying to see what spring summer scents I need to start, you know, because y'all know I like to buy off season. So, you know, I'm still buying some winter fragrances, but I'm gearing up to get these spring summer scents popping probably around, you know, February. So yeah, so I'm just kind of trying to get an idea. Do I need Adore or don't I? Grand Soir. Okay, so here's the tea on Grand Soir. Do I need Grand Soir? Okay, so my man has Grand Soir, right? Grand Soir smells amazing on him. It doesn't, I feel like it doesn't smell as good on me as it does on him, but I feel like I just be thinking that because I love the way it smells on him. His skin tends to pick up sweet notes, so it's like a beautiful ambery vanilla just sexiness on him. And when I put it on, I feel like I feel like it don't do the same thing to me, which normally fragrances do pull out the sweetness on me. I think my mind is so clicked on it, like that's his fragrance. So when I go in there and use his stuff, because you know he don't mind sharing his fragrances, but I ain't no sharer. I'm sorry. Like, don't touch my shit, babe. Like, no. What do you want to wear here? I'll spray it on you. No, if he wanted to wear something, he definitely could. But he don't even need to come in here. He got his own shit. But anyway, but I don't know. I feel like all the girls have Grand Soir, and I need to have Grand Soir. Like, and I've been seeing so many good combos on Instagram and YouTube with it. Like, I was like, ooh, I feel like I need my own bottle of Grand Soir because I want to try the combos. I feel like if I try the combos, then I'm really gonna love it. You know what I'm saying? Because I like it, but I don't love it. But I feel like if I had it and I started doing the combos I've been seeing, I'm gonna love it. So, do I need Grand Soir, girl? Do I? But the last one on the list that I want to talk about was Gris Charnel. So that is on my list to buy, and all the girls have it. I definitely think that I want the original instead of the extrait. So I'm talking about the original, and y'all let me know if I need it. Now I do have a sample of it and I really like it, but I'm like, is that the next BDK that I need? I don't know. I don't know. So I really like the way it smells, but y'all let me know. I don't see a lot of people doing combos with Gris Charnel, so I'm like, maybe I should get it, you know, and see what I can come up with. But I do like that fragrance. But y'all let me know. Is that the next BDK that I need, or is it a different one that I need? So y'all let me know some fragrances that you know I don't have that I need, and you know, let me know, because I feel like some of the fragrances that everybody has, I don't want them because everybody has them, but some of them just sound so good that I feel like I need it. You know what I'm saying? So thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, comment, share, and of course subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.